Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how to animate navigation menu using Figma prototype. Let's get started. Let's select the frame in the phone tab. Here we'll select iPhone 13 mini. Okay. After selecting, let's create the navigation menu. We'll take a rectangular, draw it here. It will be 65 pixels and edit this rectangular. Click on this edit tool and select the pen tool. Add 2 points here like this and bring this down. We'll add one more point also here. Now again edit, bring it down till here and make this radius smooth. Okay, we'll make this 0. We need to add radius here. We'll add 20. Select these points and move it. Let me increase this radius and here take the pen tool, use this tool and draw it like this. We need curve shape here. Okay, we'll edit once again and select these two corners. We'll make it 30. Decrease. Okay, we'll make it 15. This is fine. We will decrease the size. Now this is done, right? Let's add icons here. I'll bring icons. Here you can see I added all the icons. Okay, and I also made some changes here. You can see this curves and all I have adjusted. Okay, after that I have taken one more ellipse and inside this I added home icon. Okay, we need to do smart animation for this. Okay, what we'll do first, we'll bring this out of the frame. Okay, here we'll create a component. Now for this tab I'll mention it as home. We need to change all these names. This icon name is home and for this also we need to mention home, text home only, and here we won't have text. Okay, home, and for this assets icon, we'll mention icon, home icon, profile icon and setting icon. Okay, for this we'll give PG group, icon group. For this, okay, we'll ungroup this. This is not needed. This one, settings group, profile group, home group, assets group. Names are very important when you are doing animation. Okay, now I'll take 3 copies. We have this 3 copies, right? Total 4 copies we have. Let me go here and move it till here. Okay, it should be center, and select this one, move it till here. Fine. We have to do same for this two also. Now this is done. We'll go and delete this one here, and in the assets take this icon, cut this, and here we need to paste it. Okay, in the icon group, bring it here, center align. After that we need to change the stroke. The stroke is 2.5. We'll change here also 2.5. This will be 2. Okay, and change the color. Delete the home icon. This is done. Now do same for this both. Once this is done, select all the frames and check the clip content. Okay, now change the name of the frame, assets, profile, settings. Now we'll do component. Select all the frames. Here component, click on this arrow, create multiple components. Now here combine as variant. Select this component, go to prototype tab, select this asset one and draw the prototype to this one. Here we need to use smart animation. You can see here it is on drag there. If you click on this, on click is disabled because it has on click actually added, that's why it is not coming. Before doing the prototype, check this, okay, and remove this on click from here, and you can select on click here. Okay, on click smart animation we are giving. Okay, now do same for profile. Check they have any interaction here. If not, then add directly and it will automatically select on click, and use smart animation here. Okay, for settings same, we need to do same for this one, home, profile, settings, see here on drag is there, remove this and make it on click. We'll check once again. You can see here this is also on drag, remove this, on click. Just check the prototypes once again, it should be correct. Everything is correct. Let's check how this is working. If anything is wrong in this, then we'll fix that. Okay, and let me change this color to white and add drop shadow for this. Drop shadow added here. We'll see x will be 0, blur will be 8. Y will make it -1. Check here the preview, and this will make 10%. Okay, this is looking good. Let me start the flow. Play it now. Okay, now let's check how this works. This is working good, but here we can decrease little bit. Okay, we need to do it here. Here we need to decrease little bit, and this till here. Okay, this will looks little better comparing to this one. Or you can increase the size of this, that's also works. We have to close and replay this. This is looking better. We have to do all the changes in other components also. Let's see what is the size. 64 into 64. This is done. Now here let me increase the size. Let me select this BG and paste it here. Okay, delete the previous one, select this one and move this. Done. Now let's check. This is looking good. Like this we can do nice animations in Figma. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll meet in next video. Bye bye.